Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to see how we can apply different settings and how we can create the loan. So just have a look. So from the master setup, I will go to the setting. So here you can see I have added few settings. Now let's go to the, so this is the rule engine of the software. You can add the setting required for your business. So for example, let's say in a money lending. So here is list assignment mandatory. This is by default no. If you want to set yes, means you have to assign list to your staff daily. So the staff will view the customer loan information as per the list assignment. So in a setting value we need to add yes and just click to add. So I have already added here. So this type settings we can add. Now I will go to the master setup, product scheme. So here you can see this is the product scheme form. So we can create product according to our business. So for example, let's say daily collection loan. So rate of interest, let's say 0.1% daily. You can select any type of method of your calculation. So I will select the interest with principal, tenure, so let's say for 50 days, then interval, 50 days for how many intervals, if you want daily collection, or if you want to take daily collection but after 2 days, after every 2 days. So I will select here 2. Any grace period you can mention here. Lump sum interest, so let's say lump sum interest 500. Advance installment, if you want to receive, so I will select 1. And now I will save this scheme. So you can see I have created this daily collection loan scheme. Now let's search one customer from the search bar, F-4. So I will just click to the loan. Let's select the product scheme and just enter the amount. So let's say 5,000 and just calculate. So here you can see installment is 220, for 500 is the interest part and interval is 2. So 25 day at the interval 2. Now here I have added 500 lump sum interest in the product scheme as well. So here we have received one installment in advance 1. So I have applied deduct advance installment from principal. Now so one installment is deducted from the principal. Now I will just save this loan. So loan number 9 is saved successfully. Now I will search this loan from the search bar. So here you can see all the details of this loan, and let's go and check the installment tracker. So here you can see we have received advance installment 220 and next due is on 18th May. So every after 2 days the daily collection is for total 25 days tracker. So let's we have already received first installment. Now next installment is on 18th May. Go and check the transaction. We can check all the details in the transaction. So here you can see advance installment adjusted 220, and now this much amounts is recoverable 5280.